Hello, hello, hello. Magandang araw. Welcome back sa lahat ng Leo. At sa mga bagong Leo na nakasubaybay, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love sa inyong Tagalog love reading. Ngayon na, Mismo. Okay, sige. So, tignan natin ano ba yung masasagap kong energy for the Leo Collective. At habang binabalasa ko to, gusto ko magpasalamat sa inyong lahat na Leo na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Sobrang appreciated. At sa mga bagong Leo, sana supportan nyo rin po by subscribing to this channel, by liking this video, and by engaging sa comment section para mag-grow yung channel ko at makagawa pa ako ng maraming love reading para sa inyo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ay inyong weekly love reading for February 23 to 28. So hanggang dulo na ng month. Okay, so bubunot ako ng isang card, which is the overall energy ng reading na to. Tapos sa dulo, isisil natin siya ng isa pang card. Joy. Wow. There's so much happiness, so much joy. Diba? Sa reading na to. So, ibig sabihin yung love life niyo magiging masaya naman. Pero tingnan natin, ano ba yung nakakabit na storya? At bakit joy ang lumabas na overall energy for Leo? So, just a reminder that this reading may or may not resonate sa inyo dahil collective reading po ito. At kung hindi mag-resonate, huwag natin pilitin. Ibig lang sabihin hindi ko nasagap yung energy nyo. So, kaya abangan nyo na lang. Kaya subscribe na kayo para updated kayo sa mga susunod ko pang love reading. And hopefully, yung susunod ay mag-resonate na. Okay? So, bubunot ako ng 7 cards. Tapos interpret natin siya. Okay, second card, 4 of Cups, King of Wands, King of Swords, Knight of Cups, oh, Ace of Cups, Ace of Wands, 8 of Swords, Page of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, and Knight of Wands. Okay. Tatlong Knights. Lumabas. Okay. There's so much joy. Nagsimula siya sa 4 of Cups. Nag-end siya sa Knight of Wands. Walang very strong energy na sign. So, pwedeng lahat ng signs yun yung sign ng person ninyo. Okay, so interpret natin. Nagsimula siya sa 4 of Cups, nag-end sa Knight of Wands. Okay, so si 4 of Cups, it means that this person, okay, okay, so itong person na to is medyo, ano lang, hirap lang siya maging vulnerable masyado. Okay? But that doesn't mean na hindi kanya gusto. Gusto ko naman itong tao na to. Medyo, ano lang siya, guarded siya. Lalo na when it comes to being vulnerable sa inyo. Pero kasi, dito, lumabas naman si King of Cups. King of Wands. King of Wands at si King of Swords. Okay, which is being bold and being proactive, direct. Ayun, so pareho siya eh. Parang being honest naman talaga. So, tingnan natin, alamin natin mamaya ano yung nagkakos ng fear of being vulnerable sa tao na to. Kasi siya yung person na very direct din naman siya, bold enough siya to express yung feelings niya sa inyo. Lalo na lumabas si Knight of Cups, which is a card of showing and expressing emotions, intentions, desires nila towards sa inyo. Yung mga feelings nila, in-express naman niya, and mahal ka ng tao na to. This is a confirmation na mahal ka ng tao na to. Yung Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups is a card of love, followed by an Ace of Wands, which is a card of passion. Very passionate siya pagdating sa love towards you. Okay? And ayun, yung Eight of Swords lang, medyo medyo stuck lang si person mo from something, maybe from the past relationship. Okay? Kaya may fear siya of being vulnerable kasi merong pang remnants yung past relationship niya sa mga, alam mo yun, mga nararamdaman niya ngayon. So, sige, si Page of Pentacles kasi, okay, si Page of Pentacles is wanting a long-term relationship, diba? And showing tangible actions. Kaya medyo siguro hindi mo siya nakikita at the moment. Okay? Kahit sinasabi niya, very bold siya na, okay, gusto kita, mahal kita, and ikaw yung pinipili ko. Pero may energy siya na stuck siya from something. Tingnan natin, alamin natin mamaya. So, itong si Knight of Swords here is may pagka impulsive person. Okay? So, yeah, since nga may energy siya na very direct, very bold. And ayun, dahil mahal ka niya, okay? And very intense, very passionate siya when it comes to love. Alam mo yun, may mga nagagawa siya out of impulse. Di ba? And ito, si Knight of, tapos lumabas pa si Knight of Wands. Si Knight of Wands is a card of eagerness and wanting thrill, di ba? Yung impulsive na nga, very thrill seeker pa itong person na to. Kaya parang for this person, parang yung pagiging impulsive pa niya is gives him or her some excitement or thrill, di ba? Pero ayun, kaya tingnan natin, alamin nga natin bakit lumabas tong Four of Cups saka Eight of Swords. So, una pasensya na kung minaririnig ko na parang humming sound, yung pump lang ng water, nagpa-pump siya ng water. Pero ayan, tingnan natin. Ayan. Alamin natin yung reason bakit nakalabas si Four of Cups at si Eight of Swords. Tingnan natin, second card, Seven of Wands, and Justice card. Oh. Okay. Sige. Okay, so si Seven of Wands kasi kung yun yung reason bakit parang may fear siya of vulnerability. Okay, so Seven of Wands is a card of being pinaprotektahan lang niya yung heart niya. Seven of Wands is a card of being protective of something. And I can see here, since nakakabit siya kay Four of Cups, is kaya may fear siya of vulnerability, pero pinaprotektahan niya yung heart niya from something that happened in the past. And as seen here by the Eight of Swords nga, na alam mo yun, na-stuck siya kasi from something na hindi nagkaroon ng yung I guess sa past relationship niya, naging unfair. Naging unfair yung dating person niya sa kanya, na minsan may sense lang na baka this will end up unfair din. Okay? Pero yun na, again, it's not, it has nothing to do with you. Okay? Kasi mahal ka naman niya, masaya siya sa'yo. I think the joy is there, the happiness is there. Pinapasaya mo siya. At masaya yung tao na to kapag kasama ka niya. Okay? Kaya, kung meron man siyang mga impulsive things na nasasabi, nagagawa, and ayun, para sa kanya parang, uy, okay mag-impulsive, di ba? Hindi pinag-iisipan yung mga actions. Kasi tatlo tong Knight, si Knight of Cups din, di ba? Parang siya, very expressing them and very assertive when it comes to expressing yung emotions niya. Tapos very bold pa siya. Okay, pero mahal ka nito. As shown here by the Ace of Cups and Ace of Wands. And masaya siya pagkasama ka niya. Okay, pero antay lang, let this person fully heal from the past. Okay? Para mas maging okay yung dynamics ninyo. Sige, seal natin itong reading with another card. Elegance. Okay. So si Elegance, it's, niya is, parang, for me, kalma lang, let this person fully heal, let this person continue expressing yung feelings niya sa inyo, and everything will fall into place. Diba? Nothing, I can see here naman that there's nothing chaotic. Diba? Kaya lumabas din yung joy at elegance. Nothing chaotic. Everything will fall into place. Magiging masaya din yung ending. And walang mga gusot na magaganap pagdating dito sa relationship ninyo. Okay? So, I hope this resonates. Kung mag-resonate, comment na lang ulit. Enjoy elegance, and abangan na lang yung susunod ko pang love reading para sa inyong mga Leo. Maraming salamat. Kita-kits. Ako si Mystico Moreno. At abangan ang susunod pang reading dito lang mismo. Ingat!